Hey guys, welcome to Chamiyakka. Today I'm gonna bring you some exciting video about net fishing and put them in a beautiful natural pond built by me. I'm going to catch some endemic fish in a beautiful natural water stream, and I'm going to put them in a mini pond created by me near that water stream. And let's go to the video. My father owned a empty land in a village called Omatta, and this water stream is located near that beautiful land. And the first fish I saw in that water stream is the Black Ruby Barb, which is called Bulathapaya in Sinhala, and it is a very rare and endemic fish in Sri Lanka. At the first thing I do, I sit inside the water stream, and then the old fish came towards me and swimming around me, and that is a very beautiful and exciting moment. I really enjoyed that time. These fish are very friendly and they are not frightened to me, and you guys can see they are swimming around my leg and my hand. Look how beautiful that fish was. Oh, these many there are many fish that are endemic to Sri Lanka. And then I start to build up the mini pond. I select a place near the water stream and started to build. I got all the rocks and kept them round. I'm going to build a mini pond using these rocks, and I fast forward the pond setup video part because it took so many time to build it. Look at how clean that water is. You guys can see how I'm going to build that mini pond, circular pond. Look at how clean that water is. I'm addicted to do these type of things since my childhood, and it was very satisfying. I'm always love to be with fish and this water, the natural water streams, and bath in them. That is a very loving moment for myself, and I'm digging that sand and soil in the middle of the pond. I took all the sand and the all rocks, stones, soil, and emptied it because there was mud in the water. I removed all the dirty water and I make a path to come the clean water, to flow the clean water inside to my mini pond. And then you guys can see the final look of my mini pond, and look the mini pond with the water stream. And then I started to fishing with my small net, and the first thing I caught is river shrimp near the fish pond, and I put it into the mini pond, and look how clean my mini pond is. I'm always to always love to do these kind of things, these kind of videos. And then I got my big fishing net and started to fishing. The method I'm following to catch these fish is keep the fish net at the bottom of the water stream, and when the fish is moving on the fish net, immediately I'm going to take my fish net up to the water level, and that's the method I'm going to follow, because these fish are very easy to catch. And you guys can see I caught the first fish, and that was a Black Ruby Barb, which is called the Bulathapya in Sri Sinhala, and I put it inside the mini pond. Look at the red color in its mouth area. This is a male fish. The male fish is the red color one, and then I caught a female Black Ruby Barb. Female Black Ruby Barb has no red color. In the breeding season, the male Black Ruby Barb get more red color and gets more beautiful. And look at the pair I caught as my first fish. This is a very rare fish in Sri Lanka and very endemic fish to Sri Lanka. Again, I caught another Black Ruby Barb, and I put it also, and that's my third caught one. And again I caught a Black Ruby Barb, and also another type of barb we called in Sri Lanka, in Sinhala we called him Pethia, and it's a type of barb also. And look at the red color of that Black Ruby Barb. Look at how beautiful that is. And then again I caught two Black Ruby Barbs. They are also male fish, and totally I got 5 or 6 Black Ruby Barbs and one other type of barb. Catching these fish is very easy because they are very friendly fish. And again I caught another type of that barb, and also I caught a Thalkosa fish, which was also an endemic fish to Sri Lanka. Look at the mini pond, and these are the old fish I caught on this beautiful water stream, and this is the final look of the water stream and the final look of the mini pond. And also I got another type of barb, and I put it in the mini pond also. Totally I got around 10 fish, and look at all the fish, look at the colors of them. And this is the final look of my mini pond, and I'm very satisfied at this moment. And as the final step, I release these fish back into the water stream, because I caught them only for the video. That is the Thalkosa fish I caught, and I didn't take any fish to home. I released all the fish to the water stream back again, because we need to protect this fish as our lives, because they are very rare and very endemic to Sri Lanka. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you very much.